Deobandi Hakeem-ul-Ummat Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi, who passed away in 1943. He was a close friend of Maulana Ilyas, who passed away in 1944. Actually, the Tablighi Jamat, the movement was started to spread the teachings of Ashraf Ali Thanavi. The author of this famous book, Behishti-Zevar, which is still given to the girls at the time of their marriage. Behishti-Zevar after some time, but here are some of his sayings. Okay, he says, Ashraf Ali Thanvi says, do not read the Quran with understanding. If you do so, you will go astray. That means you will not understand, you will be confused, and you will be landing in trouble. Amal Qurani, he writes that if a lady is having excessive periods, excessive bleeding during her monthly periods, the verse of Surah An'am, ayat number 144, should be written on 3 different pieces of paper, one tied onto the right and the other to the left, and the third piece of the paper with the Quran verse to be hung below the navel. That means the right and left thigh and just above the pubis. Page 134, Urdu edition. Hikayat Awliya, page 17, he writes, when Shah Waliullah was in his mother's womb, mother's tummy, she said a prayer. Okay. Then 2 hands came out for the prayer. She was frightened. And the baby was in the tummy, but the hands come out. Then the husband said, okay, you have a khutbul khutub in your tummy. And he writes, during the labor, to reduce the labor pain, let the lady in labor hold the mouth of Imam Malik. And the labor will be very easy. To increase the sexual pleasure, just see al-mughni, then do your sex. Amal Qurani, he writes, when you cut a tarbuz, watermelon, just say fazabahuha, then definitely the tarbuz, the watermelon will be sweet. Who believed in Wahdatul Wujud. Then he came to a sheikh who believed in Wahdatul Wujud. Believed in Wahdatul Wujud. Told the person, asked the person who believed in, the sheikh who believed in Wahdatul Wujud, if everything is the same, if delicious foods and feasts are one and same, then eat it. Okay? The sheikh took the shape of a pig and he ate the feces, and later he became a human being and ate the sweets. This is there in page number 110 of Imdadul Mushtaq. There are many funny things, not funny things, and the stories we can spoil your faith, and you can that can take you from Islam. I will make small clips on that one also. May Allah protect us from these Sufi teachings. Amen.